Okay, let's go over how to set the how you save your pictures, what quality you save your pictures as on the Orbic Magic 5G. So first off, you're going to open up your camera. Okay, now I would suggest you hold your camera like this. Okay, so yay, it's on here, right? Yeah. All right, now go to settings, and of course it's not going to flip for us. Oh, that sucks. Let's see. Well, we don't want the GPS location on our pictures, right? Safety tech, that's a good thing to have on. Picture size, right here. So 12 megapixels. And where if you needed to change it, you could change it to a square. That's mainly, I think, for like Instagram or something. I don't know. One of those weird social websites has the goofy stuff. You can take it down to full screen, or you can take it to 2 megapixels. We're going to keep it as 12 megapixels because I believe that's going to be the best option we have on this phone. You can take picture quality and make sure it's high because you definitely want that to be high. And then you can go into the more advanced settings and set your exposure, set your white balance, or you can sit there to click restore defaults, which we don't want to do because we already have ours set. So that's how you get in there to change that picture size. If for any reason you need to change that, that's where that is. Bye.